But definitely thanks for bringing it up, because in this next topic, we're going to talk about a website, which I just found out today. It's a little bit of a PSA where you can actually vote and suggest where you want the next supercharger location to be. Tesla is probably on a very aggressive ramp to open up more superchargers. So they want to hear from you all where they should put a supercharger. So we're going to take a look at it. But if you're just joining in, my name is Dennis. I love talking about Tesla hacking, as I like to call it, but basically just getting the best deal on Tesla at the best financing rate. So definitely hit that subscribe if you're interested. And so let us take a look at this. Shout out to Marco RP on Twitter. Quote, with 1 week left in the quarter and today also being Quebec Day, I just want to remind everyone to vote for Bryce Canyon and Park City, Utah on the supercharging voting poll. So I had no idea this website actually exists, but you can see on Tesla's website, I'll post it, I guess, in the live stream chat so you can take a look at it as well. But there is a website where you can actually vote and or suggest a location of Tesla superchargers. So if we take a look at the top superchargers in the, I guess, world, I got to say we're down by North America, but you can actually search even global. What is the number one that everybody is voting for? It seems like the top three actually are Poland locations. So shout out to Poland, and then actually are Hungary as well. But switching to North America, because I know probably a lot of you are North American watchers, you can see Lakewood, New Jersey, Cherokee, North Carolina, Quebec, Utah, and also Bryce City, Canyon, Utah as well. But take a look at here, there is some California, Laguna Beach. That seems like a pretty good location actually, and the list goes on and on. And if you are interested in trying to suggest a location, you can click the location button and you can actually see which area where you can submit for a place to them to install a supercharger. But Tesla certainly is trying to ramp superchargers as much and as quickly as possible. And there's actually one near us that is, we just saw that the pavement was put down. So very interesting stuff that Tesla has this website up, because they probably want to hear from you all, us, the drivers and owners, to know exactly where we can actually put these, or where they can put these superchargers. But definitely some pretty interesting stuff. Let me know what your thoughts on it. We're going to jump into the live stream comments, but before we do that, this video is actually sponsored by my Patreon link. Down below in the description is a Patreon link. You support the channel and get access to the ultimate Tesla buying guide out there with all the best interest rates for